most powerful thought current you need, Sankhya, you need to internalize. I really want all the ashrams, temples, adinams inspired by me all over the world should build large Hindu libraries. Start collecting Hinduism books on your own. Don't wait for me to send. You start collecting any book on Hinduism, because Hindu scriptures gives you such depth. I really want each ashram, if you have one deity, you should have 1000 book. Each temple, if you have one deity, 1000 book. Like that, count how many deities you have in your temple, that many 1000 books you should have. Start collecting on Hinduism. I will also gift as much as possible. You also start collecting any book on Hinduism in any language. Start collecting. I tell you. Because all the great truths I am revealing, I am going to start giving you a lot of scriptural references. See, not only I want you to be equipped to achieve enlightenment and Paramashivatva inside. See, for example, if you just listen to my satsang every day, you will be equipped to manifest Paramashivatva. But if you have a library in your temple, the books I am referring, the scriptures I am quoting, before leaving the temple, just 2-3 minutes, if you just see that book and see those verses, see those few lines, just like a survey. It's not that I am expecting you to sit whole day and read all the scriptures. No. Just rough look, survey of that subject. Even that much if you do, within a year, you can become a powerful, real Hindu who can enrich the world with Hinduism. Understand? I tell you one thing. World is looking up to Hindus for real life solutions and knowledge in every department and every field. If you guys want, I can give you some specific focus. Bidadi temple should collect everything on Hinduism. Bangalore Adinam should collect everything on Hinduism. Gujarat OSJP should collect everything related to women and Hinduism. Kashi Sarvanyapita should collect everything, scriptures of Hinduism. For Bidadi, everything. There is no separate definition. Everything about Hinduism. Bidadi. Kashi should be everything about Hindu scriptures. Gujarat, everything about women and Hinduism. Female energy, feminine consciousness and Hinduism. Female deities, women saints, scriptures related to women in Hinduism, history of women in Hinduism, and everything related to women, empowerment in Hinduism. Houston, Hindu cosmology. Tiruvannamalai, all the books related to Hinduism in Tamil. Salem, Siddha tradition. Madurai, everything related to Shaivism. In all language, Shaivism. All language, everything related to Shaivism. Hyderabad, everything related to Shakta tradition. In all language, everything related to Shakta tradition. Sakta Sampradaya, Hyderabad. Ichapuram, everything related to Hindu kingdoms. Hindu Rajavidya, how the kingdoms are created, how maintained, how administered. What all our strength, what was our weakness, what we can do to upgrade ourselves. Seattle, all the Hindu arts, dance, music, everything related to Hindu arts. Los Angeles, everything related to Enlightenment science. Everything related to Enlightenment science. These subjects, Malaysia and Singapore can join together and collect everything related to Subramanya tradition, Gaumaram. Sauram is not. Sauram is Surya worship. The Gaumaram, Kumara worship. Subramanya, Muruga worship. Malaysia and Singapore together. San Jose should take up Saivam, same as Madurai. San Jose can specifically take up Hindu administration. Saivam and Hindu administration. I tell you, if we just have this library, all of you can become masters. See, one of the biggest mistake we are doing, you guys are all listening only to my words, Atma Pramana. At least once in a while, you should have a Hindu library where you spend half an hour, 10 minutes. Whenever you free, you just hang out in Hindu library. I tell you, I am adding concrete. Hindu library will add steel. You will become RCC, reinforced concrete. If we have libraries in our temples, by now we will be living university. Because the kind of the knowledge and truths I am revealing, we will not be just satsang centers and temples, we will be universities producing Hindu PhDs. Nobody can give you the essence of Hinduism like how I am giving in my satsangs. Understand, I am not talking out of arrogance or pride. I am talking out of simple, innocent, straightforward introduction about myself. Oklahoma should collect all books related to Hindu economy. Economy and Hinduism. Australia, Hindu biology. I think Europe should collect everything about Hinduism because I wanted a revolution of Hinduism in Europe.